create unlimited view 3 with Google Words method. So just search Google Words, click on this first link and click sign in to Words. You will be redirected and select your account. So after that, you will be see this interface. Just close this pop-up and select the View 3 model. From here, just click pass on generative AI and then select your model and face your from. Then click on create button. Now if you want to create multiple video at the same time, just copy the link and open a new tab and just go back to our first result. This is our video and it is ready. Just click on this insert option and wait to preview. When it was previewed here, if then you can download just by simply clicking on this file button and download as mp4. Your download will be started. Now I want to show you the video result. You can create different video just by changing the prompt and click on create and your new video will be ready. So our new video is ready and you have to just click on the insert option. When it was loaded in the editor section, then you can simply download it just by simply clicking on file and download as mp4. Now our video was downloaded and let's play this video.